Hello, children. In today's grammar lesson, we will be learning about another sentence type, which are questions. This unit builds on what we've learned last week about statements. So let's take a look at our learning sentences for this lesson, children. What am I learning today? I am learning about questions. And by the end of this lesson, I would be able to find a question mark in question sentences. I would be able to add a question mark to question sentences, and I would be able to write my own questions. So what are questions, children? So questions are sentences that ask you something, and they usually end with a question mark. There are two types of questions, children. Those that elicit a yes or no answer. For example, did you sleep well last night? Are you going to school today? Yes or no. Or others which are called open-ended. And when we have open-ended questions, we usually have the following words, which is usually found in the beginning of the sentence. For example, which, what, whose, what if, where, how, why, when. And we're going to take a closer look at the following words. Here we have an example of a question. Is it windy today? Look at how the question sentence starts with a capital letter and ends in a question mark. Asking sentences are called questions. Now, you need to pause the video and you are going to write the following sentences and add the question mark at the end of each sentence. So, where are you going? What are you going to buy? And will you get some oranges too? So pause the video, write the sentences and add the question marks at the end of the sentence. Very well done. Your sentences, children, should look something like this. Where are you going? What are you going to buy? And will you get some oranges too? Okay, here we have another exercise, children. So we're going to take a closer look at this scene and we are going to write a few questions related to this picture's picnic scene, beach picnic scene. And before I share with you the sentences I have prepared for you, I would like you to get your mini whiteboard and write 4 sentences. One starting with who, another one starting with where, another one starting with what, and another one starting with why. Now, there can be more than one question for each of the words, and I will be sharing with you the 4 questions I have prepared for this particular slide. They may be different as long as they are question sentences. If you are in doubt, you can ask your teacher to help to guide you further. So, for example, who is building a sandcastle? Where are the children? What is the girl holding? And why is the family by the beach? Those are 4 question sentences you can use for this particular scene. And finally, you can complete the following questions. Where are? Why does? When can? What is? And who will? Now, these you are going to try them on your own. I will not be sharing my responses with you, children. You can write them on your mini whiteboard and share them with your teacher. Very well done, children. Remember that if you have a question, remember to ask your teacher to guide you further. We'll discuss this concept in more detail in class. Thank you.